Hey traders, welcome back to another Forex recap. I'm DD Trader and I'm going to go through my trades this week. So get ready for another interesting and informative video. Here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm DD Trader and we're going to go through another weekly recap of this week's trades. Made 3 trades this week. One of them not so proud of, but I'm actually excited to teach a poor decision and a poor decision how I managed the trade, but it ended up being a decent trade. We're nearly close right now to the close of the market on Thursday, February 17th, so I just got out of this trade with a little bit of profit, but overall $15,000 of profit this week over 3 trades. So really happy with the results, and I want to show you what happened this week. So let's get into it right now. So first of all, I'm going to start on EuroCAD. This is on Tuesday. And you remember maybe on the 3rd of February, there was a huge Euro move, went up, made kind of like this double top on the 4-hour chart, and we've been coming down. So always as a trader, when the market makes this humongous move and it's coming down, you're always like, you know, when is it going to hit the bottom and turn up? So I like to wait for something of like a double bottom, and that's kind of like what I did here. So here's the 4-hour. You see like this 4-hour support and resistance. We went up and we were coming back down, making this trend line, following it. Let's go down to the 1-hour. Okay, so I think you could see it better in the 15 minutes. So I went down to the 15-minute chart. So the market has been going down, kind of like bottoming out over here, then reached this other bottom and started to pull up. Now, what I noticed over here was this wicked candle. Now, I like to look for wicks. That's a sign for me. It was a wick and a bullish engulfing candle all in one. So the market started to bottom out over here and started to pull up. And then when the market pulls up, I'm waiting for kind of like a double bottom to get in. So first we had the first pullback. Let's make it over here. First pullback with this, you know, bullish wicked candle. Then the second one and another point of resistance, and we're doubling up over here. So that's what I was looking for. I saw it, and then it's like, how do I get in? So this was a little bit risky, I guess, because we had this like tweezer top, but I saw that the tweezer top just didn't stand against, I guess, this bullish engulfing candle and with a wick, and then this one. This really looked like the W to me, and it was kind of like just, I felt it was kind of like a fake out because we were at this resistance and the market pushed up, then pushed back down, tried again and went down a little bit, but immediately we had a bullish engulfing candle followed by the bearish engulfing candle, followed by the bullish engulfing candle. So once I saw that, and I saw that this tweezer top is not pushing us, I just wanted to get in. I thought it was like gonna go up, and this was the end of that push. It was a scare, it was a push, but the bulls kept on fighting back, and I thought it was right to take a risk. I covered it under the most recent low, and it did go all the way for that $4,700, 24 pips. So that was a pretty solid trade. On to the next one. Okay, so I made my other 2 trades this week in UJ, the dollar versus the yen. Now, I was making, this is on the 4-hour, this channel, you know, I like channels, watch my other videos, you'll see I talk all about channels, they're very powerful. And especially when they're coming off these 4-hour resistance points. So you could see clearly, you know, this was resistance, then it became support, 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 and it pushed up and we started to make this channel. So once it hit this resistance, I was looking, you know, for the rejection and to go down. So here we see it like clearly. It was a really nice trade. Let's look at it in the 1-hour. Now, I got in a little bit early, but you know, that's the whole point of a stop loss. Like you properly guard your risk. You know, I'm out at this point in the trade and I'm gonna cover at a point where I see that there's sellers. So even though I got in, you know, when I saw that this candle was going to go down, it looked to me like it was, you know, going to go down after this little swing up. It was a little bit risky because we were at exactly the 4 hours. I would have liked to wait till this one, but you know, I actually got to ride that wave. So, you know, I covered on top of this wick, and it did push up and come clearly, but once it would hit that wick again, you know, it was really just gonna go down there, and that's exactly what happened. I didn't I got out of my trade a little bit earlier than this, but I held a couple of the lots all the way down even longer because it was really pushing down, and I saw it was going to keep going. So I wanted to hold it a little bit longer because I thought we might go all the way to the 4 hours or to some point over here. So I held it a little bit longer. Ended up being an awesome trade, $8,100 with 30 lots, killer trade. I was considering ending the week right there. You know, it's important to me to stop when I'm ahead. I don't like being in the market so much. You know, it's when you're making money, you just, you know, got to book your profits and you want to cut your losses. So that was a good trade, you know, but obviously that was only on Wednesday, and there's Thursday too. So I ended up sticking around in UJ. And once we broke down to this other 4 hour resistance point, I was looking to sell again. It broke through, you know, with a wicked candle, but then we had the wick candle here, and then we pushed down. So, and then we tested and we got in again. I probably got another 15 minutes, let's see. Yeah, so looking at this trade over here, this third trade, you know, we came down to the 4 hours and we really were ranging around here. I'm not sure, you know, looking at it now, I think it was a little bit of a rash decision. Maybe because I saw this bearish engulfing candle, but then we followed with a bullish engulfing candle. I got in. It might have been a mistake. I did cover on top and we didn't get close, but it just really kind of ranged around. And, you know, I got out recently, maybe 20 minutes ago, right at this point, because we're approaching the end of the day in the US market, and you see we're just ranging over here. So I just quickly booked my, you know, $2,100. It was up to 5,000 at a point. So that's a shame, but, you know, it is what it is, and, you know, I'll take another $2,100. So the third trade, you know, I wouldn't pay attention to too much, but sometimes, you know, as traders, we make decisions, and then we just need to manage the trade. It wasn't the worst trade in the world, but I don't, you know, looking at it now, not seeing that it was the greatest. I guess it was just a little bit, you know, into the sell, thinking that we're going to sell because we've just been coming down and down and down. And I had a really good sell position the other day. But that's it. Just those three trades. I wanted to keep this video for you guys so that we see that, you know, every week I'm trying to post my weekly recap. So another good week, and just want to tell you guys quickly about the trading course. It's helpwithtrading.com. Learn these methods, learn about the double tops and the double bottoms, and I teach Fibonacci's there too. We learn about the trader's mindset, how to keep cool in a trade, how to manage your risk properly. These are awesome, really important things to learn in a trading course. And right now for my subscribers, it's free. We're up to 385, maybe 390 new registered subscribers over the past month since I've been giving it away for free. And we're building this community together. So really excited about it. If you guys want to tweet me your trades as well to see if you're working with my methods and, you know, ask me for my analysis, I'm happy to take a look at it. You know, just tweet it @helpwithtrading, and we'll continue from there. Till the next video, guys. DD out.